I feel a kinship with the species that have been driven extinct by human conquest, the thylacine, dodo, passenger pigeon, and their rapidly growing army of companions. They say the blast was triggered by a passenger pigeon's ghostly coo, swifting over the oil fields, at which the grasses stiffened, shot up a warning scent, which made the beetles shudder from their beds, which spread a rumor among the earthworms until, so quietly at first that no one noticed, a thin hoof cracked open a patch of earth, last spring's last-born caribou, the one who'd gotten separated from the herd and gutted by flies, now back and raising an orchestra of dust with its kicking, calling forth hoof by hoof, the whole herd, stampeding from their graves, flesh and fur remapping onto bones as they percussed out, pulling with them the pine martens and black-footed ferrets who regathered their bones from the soil and darted up, to hop aboard the pine trees now rushing from the horizon, stretching their newborn necks towards the sun's familiar laugh as shrikes and warblers flocked giddy to their shoulders. "We're back! We're back!" They giggled as firs and ferns yawned upright to marry, the sparrows and the soft-shelled turtles whose humble jaws birthed pawns and marches with each exhale, inviting the whooping cranes to unfurl their bodies from the wind and gladly swoop down toward bless the fish, which in turn gave the whales the idea to distill back into their original forms from the clouds overhead until the sky was clogged with the blubbery gods, right whales, gray, beluga, even a rumor of a blue whale somewhere over Calgary, casting a great gray shadow over the baseball fields, every parking lot and highway cracking open as the earth remembered, rejoiced with its remembering, and as some of the humans kept trying to drag up the earth's black blood to sell off their mother's old marrow, suddenly then each pump and spigot spouted forth bees, butterflies, short-horned lizards, plovers and prickly pears, grizzlies, snakes, owls of all feather and shape, shrews, sturgeon, each drop of oil renouncing its war draft and returning to its oldest names, muscle, stamen, tooth, hoof, the land and the water laughing aloud, a laugh that spread the way a fever spreads, like the opposite of death, of drills, just the earth with its 1,000 mouths singing I will, I will.